Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a unboxing or unwrapping of origami paper. I found some of this really cool textured paper, and I've shared with you guys a version of this from the 100-yen store Sadia, I think. This is actually some of this paper that's made by GRIMMHOBBY, and it's this kind of really cool sort of layered paper, fabric kind of style paper that has these really pretty kind of patterns on them, and they're used, you know, to layer over other colors if you like. You can kind of see the examples that they have here, but it's a very pretty kind of pattern of textured kind of paper, if you will. Works really great for some simple folding and also just for crafts in general, so definitely a fun project to use for that. Let me open it up here and show you guys. This is made by GRIMMHOBBY or Showa Grimm, and they make really great paper products. So you know you're getting a good product here, and it's made in Japan, so that's nice. And I was lucky and was able to get a discount, 100 yen. They sometimes in the stores they'll have like a little bin or a side cart that will have some of the items that they're trying to move out that they've marked down, so that can be a really good place to look if you're looking for some things. So I'll try to open this up and show you guys what this really looks like here. It's a little hard to explain if you can't like actually touch it, but the paper itself is like something like this. It actually has a nice smooth surface on one side, and then the other side has this surface that's sort of like a fabric-y kind of feel to it. And that section that you're seeing there that's sort of a grayed color is actually where there's less paper, and so when you put it over another color, then that shows through. So you can kind of see how it looks with the red and the green. So it can be sort of a fun sort of paper to use for those purposes. And if there is the flower one that you see there, and there's also I guess this pack only has the flower one, apparently. Yeah, they show on the cover here that there's other versions of this that features the like sort of like a checkered pattern, but this particular one just focuses on this kind of floral pattern. So it works as a really cute accent to add to projects. You can see some of the examples here, kind of layering it over wrapping projects, using it to make little pouches for decorations. So many fun things that you can do with it, and there are some cute projects here that are mentioned as ideas, and they even have a little outline cut out for you to use as a guideline for making your own envelopes. So that's kind of cool. Definitely some fun projects that you can use and enjoy here. So always fun to get a nice collection of fun ideas with these kinds of things. So the paper is, you know, has a nice enough solid surface on the one side of it that you could really actually fold it, I think, and do some pretty decent folding with it without any trouble. So it can be a fun sort of alternative sort of style of paper to enjoy if you guys get a chance. Keep your eyes open for it. I'd recommend it. It's always a fun one to add to your arsenal of paper. I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!